Easy way to create your avatar lens using ReadyPlayMe and Lens Studio. Sign up and open a ReadyPlayMe editor, create your avatar, download file, import in Blender and make it in T-shape position, export, create new project in Lens Studio, add full body tracking project, import your last avatar file in Lens Studio, add avatar on the scene, connect skeletons to make avatar move, to remove our body from the video, we should use eraser post effect, and next you will see how to work with it. And last step to change cameras, and voila!